Have you ever wondered how the creamy Yoplait yogurt in your refrigerator is made? Every day, millions of yogurt cups are produced in massive factories using advanced technology, strict quality control, and carefully selected ingredients. What looks like a simple snack actually goes through a fascinating manufacturing process. Today, we're taking you inside a Yoplait yogurt plant to discover how fresh milk is transformed into delicious yogurt enjoyed by millions around the world. The journey begins on dairy farms, where fresh milk is collected daily. After milking, the milk is stored in refrigerated tanks to keep it fresh. Specialized tanker trucks then transport the milk to the yogurt factory while maintaining cold temperatures throughout the journey. This helps preserve quality and prevents unwanted bacterial growth before processing begins. When the milk arrives at the plant, it undergoes a series of strict inspections. Technicians collect samples and test them for purity, fat content, protein levels, temperature, and overall quality. Modern laboratory equipment ensures that only high-quality milk enters the production process. Any shipment that fails to meet standards is rejected. After passing inspection, the milk is pumped into huge stainless steel storage tanks. These tanks can hold thousands of gallons of milk and are equipped with advanced temperature control systems. The milk is then standardized to ensure the correct balance of fat and protein. This step helps guarantee that every cup of yogurt has the same texture, flavor, and consistency. Next comes pasteurization, one of the most important stages in yogurt production. The milk is heated to carefully controlled temperatures to eliminate harmful bacteria and improve food safety. Pasteurization also helps create the smooth texture consumers expect. Once heated, the milk is rapidly cooled and prepared for the next stage. Now the real transformation begins. Special yogurt cultures are added to the milk. These beneficial bacteria convert ordinary milk into yogurt through a process called fermentation. The mixture is transferred into large fermentation tanks where the cultures begin feeding on lactose, the natural sugar found in milk. As the bacteria consume lactose, they produce lactic acid. This causes the milk proteins to change structure and gradually thicken. Over several hours, the liquid milk slowly transforms into creamy yogurt. The temperature and fermentation time are carefully controlled because even small changes can affect the final taste and texture. Throughout fermentation, advanced sensors continuously monitor acidity, temperature, and consistency. Computerized systems track every batch and help operators maintain precise conditions. This level of automation allows the factory to produce millions of yogurt cups while maintaining consistent quality. Once the yogurt reaches the desired thickness and flavor, the fermentation process is stopped by rapidly cooling the product. Cooling slows the activity of the bacterial cultures and preserves the texture that has developed during fermentation. At this stage, the yogurt has become thick, smooth, and creamy. For flavored varieties, additional ingredients are added. Depending on the product, these may include strawberry puree, blueberry mixtures, peach preparations, vanilla flavoring, or other fruit blends. Industrial mixers blend the ingredients evenly throughout the yogurt to ensure every spoonful delivers the same flavor. Before packaging begins, quality control teams perform extensive testing. Samples from every batch are analyzed in factory laboratories. Specialists evaluate texture, flavor, consistency, and overall product quality. Additional safety tests ensure the yogurt meets strict food production standards. After passing inspection, the yogurt moves to the packaging department. This area is one of the most impressive parts of the factory. Long automated filling lines operate at incredible speeds. Empty yogurt containers travel along conveyor belts and pass through filling machines that dispense the exact amount of yogurt into every cup. Once filled, the containers receive foil seals that help preserve freshness and protect the product from contamination. Plastic lids are then applied, and each package is labeled with nutritional information, ingredients, manufacturing dates, and expiration dates. The yogurt cups then pass through automated inspection systems equipped with cameras and sensors. These systems check filling levels, seal quality, and packaging accuracy. Any container that does not meet factory standards is automatically removed from the production line. The approved yogurt cups are grouped into multi-packs and packed into cartons. Robotic arms carefully stack these cartons onto pallets, preparing them for storage and transportation. These robots work with impressive speed and precision, helping the factory operate efficiently. Once palletized, the yogurt enters refrigerated storage areas where it remains fresh until shipment. Every day, refrigerated trucks arrive to transport the finished products to distribution centers, supermarkets, convenience stores, and retailers across the country. Maintaining cold temperatures throughout transportation ensures the yogurt reaches consumers in perfect condition. Modern yogurt production combines traditional fermentation methods with advanced technology. Robotics, laboratory testing, automated machinery, and computerized monitoring systems allow factories to produce enormous quantities of yogurt while maintaining high standards of quality and safety. So the next time you open a cup of Yoplait yogurt, remember the incredible journey behind it. From dairy farms and fermentation tanks to robotic packaging lines and refrigerated trucks, every step is carefully controlled to deliver the creamy texture and delicious flavor that millions of people enjoy every day. And all of this happens before that delicious spoonful of yogurt finally reaches your table.